Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about FEB expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster, FEB in short. So this is an advanced grid trading system. This is not a normal grid trading system. This works on multiple strategies, and it also has a feature that it can take the trade in the reverse direction as well. So depending on the situation and how many parameters are met, so this EA is capable enough to take the decision. However, there is nothing short in the Forex market, but we are completing 24 weeks, almost 24 weeks with this expert advisor, and would like to check out the review on this, that how the EA has performed in past 5.5 months. Okay. So let's start from here. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is the minimum requirement is 1000. However, we suggest 1500 to trade with. Okay, because in such kind of market anything can happen. So just to protect that kind of volatility and fluctuation, your equity should be enough to meet those kind of situations. Okay, so let's start from here. From 15th of April we started, and today is 4th of October. Okay, so I'm showing you each and every trade from start. So nothing is being hidden. Whatever the drawdown, whatever the profit, whatever everything is there. So this is just a review of 24 weeks, and I would also like to link it with MyFxBook, and will show you the result there as well. Okay, so in 24 weeks we made 698.33, almost 700 on a deposit of 1000. However, as I said, that we would like to say that you should ideally like 1200 to 1500 would be ideal, like 1500 would be better, but the minimum requirement is 1000. So right now, if you see, there are three trades going on. 2 are for the sell and 1 is for the buy. Okay, and now let's check the MyFxBook statistics on this. So here is the MyFxBook statistics. Okay, as you can see it over here, this is the growth graph. Okay, this seems to be the drawdown I think that was in August. Anyways, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. As you see, like in August the maximum drawdown was there, right? It's the maximum drawdown was like since April, the maximum drawdown was happened in August itself. Okay, so based on the statistics shown by MyFxBook on this particular account, the daily is around 0.31%, monthly is around 9.63%, and the maximum drawdown that went is up to 43.24%. Okay, so today we made 0.18%, this week we made 1.91%, this month we made 1.31%, this year we made 69.83% overall. Okay, and these are the other statistics. And on monthly wise, if we see, in April we started in half of the month, from 15th of April I guess, we made 8.71. in May we made 9.63, in June we made 9.23, in July we made 7.25, in August we made 10.51, in September we made 8.66%, in October that has just started we made 1.31% already. Okay, so guys, this is the statistics for this expert advisor, and this expert advisor name is FEB EA, that is Forex EU Blaster. So in case if you have any query about this expert advisor, you can feel free to contact me on my email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the details in the video description. Also, there are other FXBook statistics of other systems that I have uploaded. So you can just copy it down this much up to Create Health and just paste it in the browser, and you will be able to check all the statistics there. Okay, like this. So you will be able to see whatever the other systems. Some are currently working, some are not working, so you can just check it out. Like this one that I was talking about, 43.24 is the maximum drawdown, right? So, and some are working, some are not working currently, so you can just check it out. And if you have any question about any of these expert advisor, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the details in the video description. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice weekend. And also would like to reiterate that today it was NFP, and still this expert advisor was able to manage the things very cleverly, and the drawdown is not that much. Otherwise the market is gone crazy today. But such kind of situation might happen in the future or might not happen. Maybe the drawdown could have been higher. As I mentioned, the maximum drawdown that went was 43.24. So please be aware and have better capital to trade, so that such kind of situation would be able to manage easily. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, take care, and feel free to contact me if you have any query, and enjoy your weekend. Take care. Bye.